This one we want to know how many licenses in the long run to sell, which means we need to know how much fish to put in. But before we know how many fish, we need to know the volume of this in order to know how many fish we want to actually put into the lake. So the volume of anything of this is going to be the area of the base, which is going to be this right here, which we're going to find later, multiplied by the height. And we decided that the depth has an average of 20. So we're going to multiply by 20 from the very beginning, and then we're going to multiply 20 by the area of this. And to find the area of this, we want to use the trapezoidal rule. Trapezoidal rule just says we take my lengths, so the lengths of my height of my trapezoids, and the length of these trapezoids, the height of these trapezoids are going to be 200. So we take 200 and then divide it by 2, so that's going to be 100. Then what we're going to be doing is we're going to use the trapezoidal rule. So at the very beginning, we have 0 feet. So it's going to be 0 and then plus, and I'm going to do this an easier way. I'm going to take all my things, and I'm going to do this. I'm going to, instead of doing y naught plus 2y1, 2y2, I'm going to go 2y naught, then plus yn, so my last one. Then I'm going to take 2 and I'm going to factor it out of y1 plus y2 plus y, and it just makes my math easier. So what we end up getting is my first plus my last, which is going to be 0. Then plus 2 multiplied by all of these ones together. So it's going to be 520 plus 800 plus 1,000 plus 1140 plus 1160 plus 1110 plus 860. Now, in order to make this video not super long, I'm going to just put all this in my calculator, and I end up getting 26,360,000 feet cubed. So that's A. That is going to be the volume of this lake. Now, it says that I want, for B, I plan the season with 1 fish per 1,000 cubic feet. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to divide it by 1,000. So in other words, I want 26,360 fish. That's how many fish I'm going to have. I know that I'm going to have 25. I want 25% still there at the end of the season. So in other words, I'm okay with 75% of these fish to be caught. And if you put that in your calculator, you end up getting 19,770 fish to be caught. Then it says, if everybody who has a license can catch 20 fish, how many licenses do I want? So if I take 19,770 and I divide that by 20, that's going to be, this will be how many fish I have. This will be, if everybody catches 20, how many licenses do I want? And this becomes 988.5. So I want to sell 988 licenses. That's it.